Wait, don't click away. If you just said good morning to yourself in your head right now, in your native language, this video was made for you. I'm Sarah, and welcome to Listen and Learn English Easy. Today, we're destroying the biggest enemy of your fluency. No, it's not grammar. It's not vocabulary. It's the silent translator living in your brain. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fire them. The problem. Here's what I see every day. Learners tell me, Sarah, I study 2 hours daily, but when I need to speak, my mind goes blank. Why? Because you're running a translation software in your head 24/7. You hear English to translate to native language, then think of answer, then translate back to English, then speak. That's 4 steps. Native speakers, they hear English, then think English, then speak English. 2 steps. You're doing double the work and getting half the speed. But Sarah, how do I turn off the translator? I don't even notice I'm doing it. I know, it's like breathing. You don't realize it until someone points it out. The moment it clicks. Let me tell you about Maria. She studied English for 8 years. 8 years! She knew 3,000 words, but couldn't order coffee without panicking. One day, I gave her one strange instruction. For the next 7 days, you're not allowed to translate. You're only allowed to describe things with words you already know in English. She looked at me like I was crazy. But Sarah, I don't know enough words. You know 500, I said. That's enough to describe 5,000 things. Maria called a banana the long yellow fruit because she forgot the word banana in that moment. She called her refrigerator the cold box for food. She called driving sitting in the moving car and making it go. Was it perfect English? No. Was it fluent? Absolutely. Because for the first time, she wasn't translating. She was thinking. The science. Here's what happens in your brain. When you translate, you activate your native language center first, then your English center. It's like sending a letter to your neighbor by mailing it to another country first. Neuroscientists call this cognitive switching. Every time you switch languages, you burn mental energy. You get tired faster. You hesitate. You feel stuck. But when you think directly in English, even simple English, you build a highway in your brain. At first, it's a dirt road. Slow, bumpy. But day by day, it becomes a superhighway. The 5-day method. I'm giving you the No Translation Challenge. 5 days. That's all it takes to feel the shift. Day 1. The object game. Look around your room. Touch 5 objects. Don't say the word in your language. Point and say the English word immediately. If you don't know it, describe it. This is the thing I use to write. This is the machine that keeps me warm. Do this for 2 minutes every hour. Set a phone alarm. Day 2. The running commentary. While you make coffee, shower, or walk to the bus, narrate your life like a movie. Not in your head, out loud. Whisper if you have to. I am boiling water. The water is hot. I am pouring coffee. It smells good. Simple? Yes. Embarrassing? Maybe. Effective? Extremely. You're teaching your brain that English is for living, not just for studying. Day 3. The English-only zone. Create 1 hour where your phone, your music, your thoughts, everything is English. 1 hour. Put a sticky note on your door. English only beyond this point. When a thought comes in your language, catch it. Stop. Reframe it in English. Even if it's, I am hungry, I want food now. You're not being graded, you're building a habit. Day 4. The reaction challenge. Today, react to everything in English. Drop your pen, say, oh no, or oops in English. Not your language. See something beautiful? Say, wow, so pretty. Feel cold? Brr, I'm freezing. These automatic reactions are the last thing to translate. When you stub your toe and say, ouch, instead of your native word, that's when you know the switch is happening. Day 5. The Dream Journal. Before bed, write 3 sentences about your day. Simple past tense only. Today I worked. I ate pasta. I felt tired. Then, while falling asleep, imagine tomorrow in English. Picture yourself ordering coffee, greeting a friend, checking emails, all in English in your mind. Your subconscious works while you sleep. Give it English material to work with. Real practice session. Let's practice together right now. I'm going to show you pictures. You describe them in English immediately. No translating. Ready? Sarah. Say it out loud, right now. Describe it. Maybe you said, a dog is sleeping, or the animal is on the furniture resting. Both are perfect. You didn't need to know sofa specifically. You worked around it. Again, immediate reaction. People are holding umbrellas because water is falling from the sky. See? You just thought in English. No translation needed. Last one. The person looks worried. Maybe the computer is broken. Notice how your brain found the words without asking your native language for permission first? That's the feeling we're building. The emotional shift. Listen to me carefully. The day you stop translating is the day you stop being a student and start being a speaker. You'll feel it happen. Suddenly, you'll laugh at an English joke, not because you translated it, but because you got it. You'll wake up with English words already in your head. You'll get angry in English when you hit your funny bone. It's not about being perfect. It's about being direct. Maria, from our story? After her 7 days, she called me crying. Not sad crying, happy crying. She said, Sarah, I dreamed in English last night. I was speaking to my mother, but in the dream, I spoke English. And she understood. Her brain had accepted English as a living language, not a school subject. Yours will too. Common mistakes. 3 traps to avoid. Trap 1. Waiting until you know more words. Stop. You know enough. Babies think in their language with 50 words. You have 10 times that. Trap 2. Translating complex ideas first. Don't try to think about philosophy or politics yet. Think about coffee, weather, your sore feet, concrete things. Trap 3. Giving up on day 1. The first day feels like walking through mud. That's normal. By day 5, it feels like walking on grass. By day 30, you're flying. Here's your homework. Yes, homework. Start today, right now. Pause this video, look around, and say 3 sentences about what you see. Out loud. I'll wait. 1, 2, 3. Did you do it? If you did, comment below, I stopped translating today. I want to see those comments. Let's build an army of English thinkers. And if you felt something shift, even a tiny bit, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this video matters. Subscribe for more lessons that actually change how your brain works, not just what you memorize. Next week, I'm teaching you the shadow technique, how to copy native speakers so perfectly that your accent improves in days, not years. You don't want to miss it. I'm Sarah. Stop translating. Start living in English. I'll see you in the next one.